This video is going to be real quick to show you how to keep OneNote always on top so you don't have to keep popping it back up when you're working. If this video helps you, how about leaving me a like, subscribe, comment, let this channel get out. I would appreciate it. Anyhow, you ever catch yourself you're working in OneNote, you're looking at maybe a video and taking notes or some web page and taking notes and you get tired of OneNote always going behind it when you click on this page like this, when I click on that page. So the way to fix this is fairly simple. Whoops. It's fairly simple. We're going to go up here to the View button. And this is only in, I believe, Microsoft Office 365 OneNote. I don't think Windows 10 has it. Matter of fact, I'm almost certain Windows 10 OneNote does not have this. But Office 365 OneNote does, and Office 365 OneNote is also free. Just type in office365.com, go get it. But anyhow, you pin always on top, and you can resize it however you want to resize it. Let's pop this out of here. And you always have your note right there on top. So while you're working, you can click all over the place, as you see I'm doing. I know you can't hear it, but you see I'm clicking all over the place, and it's not disappearing. That's all there is to it. So if this helped you, how about leaving a like, comment, subscribe? I would appreciate it, and you have a good day.